In the heat of an emergency, teams must act as one. But how do you prepare for the unexpected? Meet the Flashgroup Academy Kit. The Flashgroup Academy Kit comes in a robust portable case. Equip your team with tools they can rely on, co-created by industry professionals who understand the demands of emergency response. Just plug it in and start training, anywhere, anytime. With Academy, you can turn any space into a multidisciplinary training ground in just a matter of minutes. Teams can now repeatedly train for a wide range of scenarios, all within the safety of their own workspace. Customize each session to match your real-world challenges and prepare for anything. Academy is a great addition to regular training where your team builds knowledge, confidence, muscle memory, and above all, teamwork. Flashgroup goes beyond simulation. With the after-action module, you can analyze performance in real time by reflecting during and after each session. The operator module follows the great principles of create, play, and replay, allowing you to either choose a pre-made scenario or create your own where you decide how the situation unfolds, from erupting fires to victims and violent situations. Equip your team with a training solution built to make impact. Flashgroup. Train together. Act as one.